Hovercraft be coming. The tide's out. It's all in earlier, it's gone out again. And anytime soon a washing machine is going to come in.
Yeah, we won't be
We're going to the Isle of Wight Festival.
We might go tomorrow if we can get cheap tickets.
We're going to go in the car.
No. Otherwise Bob can't drink, can he?
You could try phoning Bob later if you want.
No, time to
go to bed.
finish.
Well, I think he's finished by now, but he won't be home yet. He's finishing early tonight because he was in early.
You go do that,
Here's the rickety train, with lots of cement inside. That train has got a lot of jelly on board. It's like a cafe. Here we go, we've got a washing machine! It's a tumble dryer. They've got a lot of cement inside! The hover. It's on that little bit of water. There's the cement mixer. It's got lots of cement on board. Bye bye, tumble dryer. Does that train do to you, Carolyn?
Takes me a while.
Bye washing machine. It's got washing powder inside it, and clothes and sand for the cement mixer, for the cement mixers.